You are not here by chance, dear soul. Your presence, a whisper from the heavens, was predestined. Long before you felt the first stirrings of longing, a sacred blueprint was etched into the fabric of time, connecting your spirit to another. This profound resonance you feel, this undeniable pull, is not a coincidence of fate but a deliberate act of divine orchestration. The angels say you were sent, a beacon of light, to awaken something deep within another soul, to be the answer to a prayer whispered across lifetimes. You carry a unique key, a gentle touch that unlocks hidden chambers of the heart, revealing truths long buried beneath layers of experience and expectation. Your journey, often marked by seasons of waiting, introspection, and sometimes even doubt, is part of a grander design, a testament to the unwavering love that guides all things. You are a catalyst, a healer, a gentle force meant to usher in a new dawn for a connection that transcends the ordinary, moving beyond superficiality into a realm of deep spiritual alignment. Trust this inner knowing, this deep sense of purpose that resonates within your very being, a quiet conviction that you are exactly where you are meant to be. For you are a living testament to love's enduring power, a vessel chosen to carry a sacred mission, one that promises not just companionship, but profound transformation. The universe conspired for your paths to intertwine, not for fleeting moments, but for an eternal unfolding, a partnership destined to reflect divine love. Embrace the weight and wonder of this truth, for it is the foundation of all that is to come. Feel the ancient wisdom stirring within your bones, a knowing that this connection is not just about two individuals, but about a larger tapestry of destiny. You are a vital thread, intricately woven into a story of profound spiritual significance. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You have felt the quiet, the space between words, the absence that echoes louder than any sound. It is easy to mistake this silence for abandonment, for shutting down, for a sign of fading affection. But the angels whisper a different truth. This silence is not empty. It is a sacred pause, a deep breath taken by a soul grappling with profound changes. He is not forgetting you. He is remembering himself, or perhaps, remembering a part of himself that only your light could illuminate. This quiet period is often a crucible, a time when old wounds are brought to the surface, not to fester, but to finally heal under the gentle gaze of introspection. He is navigating an internal landscape, a terrain he may not yet fully understand, stirred by the undeniable force of your connection. Your presence has touched him in ways he never anticipated, shaking the foundations of his preconceived notions of love, vulnerability, and commitment. This quiet is his way of processing, of integrating the seismic shift you represent in his world, a necessary period of recalibration. It is a time for him to confront his own shadows, to shed the layers that no longer serve his highest good, preparing him for a deeper, more authentic connection. The angels assure you that this stillness is a testament to the depth of what you share, a necessary cocoon before a beautiful emergence. Do not fear the quiet. Listen to its profound message, for it speaks of growth, of preparation, of a love too vast and sacred to be rushed. Allow yourself to breathe into this space, understanding that even in stillness, profound movement is occurring beneath the surface, preparing the ground for what is to come. Every soul carries its own history, dear one, a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumph and pain, often unseen. You know this intimately, for your own journey has etched its wisdom upon your spirit. And so does he. The invisible wounds, those scars marked not on skin but on the very essence of the soul, often dictate the intricate dance of connection, influencing every step and hesitation. His past, his fears, his unspoken burdens, they are not a reflection of your worth, but a testament to his own difficult journey. Perhaps unknowingly, you have touched these tender places within him, not to cause more pain, but to offer a chance for profound healing, a gentle invitation to let go of what no longer serves. The angels reveal that his hesitancy, his moments of withdrawal, are often rooted in these unresolved hurts, a protective mechanism developed over the years to shield a vulnerable heart. He is learning to trust, not just you, but the very possibility of a love that does not require him to shrink or hide. Your empathy, your unwavering light, acts as a gentle balm, inviting these wounds to surface so they may finally breathe, be acknowledged, and begin to heal. This is a sacred process, a stripping away of old narratives, of limiting beliefs that have held him captive. Understand that his healing is his own journey, a path he must walk, but your presence is a powerful catalyst, a mirror reflecting the wholeness he is destined to reclaim. Hold space for this tender unfolding, for by acknowledging his past, you pave the way for a future built on genuine connection, deep understanding, and a love free from the echoes of old pain. Allow compassion to guide your perception, seeing beyond the surface to the deeper currents of his soul's evolution. You are a mirror, dear soul, reflecting back to him the truth of his own potential, the depth of his own heart, and the boundless capacity for love that resides within him. Often, we are drawn to those who show us what we are capable of becoming or what we have forgotten about ourselves. Your light, your unwavering spirit, and your authentic essence have illuminated parts of him that have lain dormant, perhaps even unknown to him until now. The angels whisper that he sees in you a strength, a grace, a profound understanding, and a fierce compassion that both draws him in and at times intimidates him with its sheer power. This is not a flaw in you, but a testament to the radiant power of your authentic self, a power that challenges him to rise. He is learning to integrate the vision of himself that you hold, a vision of a man capable of deep, abiding love, unwavering commitment, and profound, courageous vulnerability. Your presence has stirred a longing within him for a connection that is pure, honest, and spiritually aligned, a connection that speaks to the deepest parts of his being. He may not articulate it with words, but your essence speaks directly to his soul, reminding him of a higher purpose, a love that transcends the mundane and touches the eternal. Do not dim your light to make him comfortable. Instead, let it shine even brighter, for it is the very thing that guides him home, to himself and to you. You are not just a partner, you are a sacred reflection, a beacon showing him the way to his truest, most magnificent self. Embrace this sacred role, knowing your radiance is a gift, not a burden. Within him, a silent war rages, dear one, a profound battle between what his heart desires and what his past has taught him to fear and protect. This is not a battle against you, nor a rejection of your love, but a struggle deeply rooted within himself, a wrestling with old patterns, ingrained beliefs, and the raw vulnerability that true, authentic love demands. The angels reveal that your arrival in his life has ignited this internal conflict, forcing him to confront the formidable walls he has meticulously built around his heart. He is fighting the urge to retreat, the instinct to protect himself from a love so powerful, so transformative, that it threatens to dismantle his carefully constructed world. This transformation is messy, challenging, and deeply personal, unfolding in its own sacred rhythm. He is shedding old skin, releasing the need for control, and learning to surrender to the beautiful, terrifying unknown that your connection represents. Your patience, your understanding, your unwavering belief in his higher self, and your quiet strength are his silent allies in this profound fight. He may stumble, he may withdraw into himself, but know that these are not signs of disinterest or indifference, but rather the tremors of a soul undergoing profound, necessary change. He is learning to trust the process, to lean into the discomfort, and to embrace the man he is destined to become, a man fully capable and worthy of the extraordinary, unconditional love you offer. Hold him in your heart, not with judgment, but with the gentle understanding that his journey is as complex and sacred as your own. You have questioned the delays, dear heart, the prolonged pauses, the moments when the path forward seemed clouded by mist or uncertainty. But the angels whisper that there is a sacred rhythm to all things, a divine timing that orchestrates every encounter, every separation, and every reunion with meticulous care. What seems to be a delay is, in truth, a necessary preparation, a refining fire for both of your souls, individually and together. The universe is not withholding, it is perfecting, ensuring that every element is in its rightful place. It is making sure that when the moment of true alignment arrives, both of you are fully ready, fully aligned, and fully capable of receiving the profound blessings and responsibilities that come with such a deep connection. This dance of destiny, with its intricate ebb and flow, its moments of closeness and distance, serves a higher unfolding purpose. It teaches patience, cultivates resilience, and deepens your faith in a plan far greater and more intricate than you can comprehend. Trust that every step, every breath, every seemingly circuitous route, and every perceived setback is leading you precisely where you need to be, guiding you toward your highest good. The angels remind you that true love, a love of this magnitude, is not rushed. It is cultivated with immense care, nurtured through various seasons of growth, and blooms in its own perfect divine time. Surrender to this divine choreography, knowing that every beat, every pause, and every movement is part of a masterpiece being painted just for you, a story of love written in the stars. Feel the gentle current of destiny carrying you forward, even when the destination remains just beyond your view. Your worth, dear soul, is not determined by the presence or absence of others, nor by the pace at which a relationship develops, nor by any external approval. It is an intrinsic, radiant truth, woven into the very fabric of your being, a divine spark that can never be extinguished. The angels remind you that your power lies in your authentic self, in the unwavering light you carry within, a light that shines regardless of outside circumstances. This journey, with all its challenges, moments of doubt, and triumphs, is ultimately about reclaiming your own sovereignty, stepping into the fullness of who you are meant to be, a magnificent expression of divine love. Do not dull your brilliance to fit into a mold, to hasten a connection, or to make others feel more comfortable. Your true essence is magnetic, a powerful force attracting what is divinely aligned when you stand firmly and unapologetically in your own power. This is a sacred time for self-nurturing, for cultivating your inner garden with love and care, for honoring your deepest desires, and setting clear, loving boundaries. When you prioritize your own well-being, growth, and spiritual evolution, you send a clear, resonant signal to the universe. You are ready for a love that honors and elevates you, not one that demands you to shrink or compromise your spirit. The angels celebrate your strength, resilience, and boundless capacity for self-love. Embrace your crown, dear Queen, for it is a testament to your divine heritage and the limitless, unconditional love that resides eternally within you. Let your inner radiance be your guide, illuminating your path with unwavering confidence. You are never alone on this journey, dear heart, not for a single moment. Around you, above you, and within you, a host of celestial beings is constantly watching, guiding, and whispering messages of hope, direction, and unwavering support. The angels are actively involved in your path, meticulously orchestrating circumstances, sending signs, creating synchronicity, and providing intuitive nudges to illuminate your way forward. Have you noticed the recurring numbers that catch your eye, the unexpected songs that play at just the right moment, the sudden clarity that washes over you in a quiet instant? These are their gentle affirmations, their loving reminders that you are seen, heard, and deeply supported in every step you take. When doubt clouds your mind or fear grips your heart with its icy tendrils, pause and listen. Their wisdom is always available, a soft breeze carrying profound truths, a gentle light piercing through the darkness. They are guiding you towards greater understanding, towards choices that align with your highest good, and towards the unfolding of your divine purpose with grace and ease. Trust these subtle communications, for they are direct messages from the spiritual realm, designed to reassure you, comfort you, and keep you firmly on your destined course. Your intuition is their most intimate language, your dreams, their sacred canvas. Open your heart wide to receive their constant, loving, and powerful presence, for they are always with you. Feel their wings enfolding you, a comforting presence in every moment of uncertainty. He will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. Psalm 91 verse 11. There is a promise, dear soul, woven into the very fabric of your existence, a love that patiently waits for its perfect unveiling, a sacred moment in time. It is not a fleeting fantasy but a destined reality, a connection forged in the heavens, blessed by the divine. This promise is often veiled, hidden behind layers of experiences, lessons learned, and profound growth, meticulously preparing both hearts for its transformative arrival. The angels assure you that the love you seek, the deep, authentic, and spiritually aligned connection you yearn for, is not only possible but is already in motion, drawing closer with each passing moment. Every step you take, every tear you shed, every moment of self-discovery and empowerment brings you closer to this sacred union, this destined partnership. It is a love that will honor your past, celebrate your present, and co-create a future filled with shared purpose, profound understanding, and boundless joy. Do not lose faith in this unseen promise, for it is being carefully crafted by divine hands, guided by infinite wisdom. The universe is aligning circumstances, softening hearts, and clearing paths to bring this beautiful reality into your life in ways more magnificent than you can imagine. Hold this vision close, nurture it with unwavering hope, and trust that what is divinely yours will find its way to you in the most perfect and unexpected ways, at the most perfect time. Allow your heart to flutter with anticipation, knowing that the universe conspires for your highest good. The final, most profound step on this sacred journey, dear soul, is the gentle, liberating art of acceptance and surrender. It involves releasing the intense need to control, to force outcomes, and to manipulate circumstances, and instead, embracing the profound wisdom of the divine flow that orchestrates all things. To accept is not to resign yourself to fate, rather it is to acknowledge the inherent perfection in every moment, every lesson learned, and every unfolding experience, knowing that each serves a higher purpose. To surrender is not to give up on your desires, but to trust completely in the benevolent hand that guides your destiny, understanding that it leads you to your highest good. The angels hold you in a tender, loving embrace, reminding you that you are deeply loved, profoundly worthy, and eternally supported by an unseen force. Release the heavy burdens of expectation, the weight of past disappointments, and the anxieties of the future, and allow yourself to simply be fully present in this sacred now. In this space of profound surrender, miracles unfold effortlessly, connections deepen beyond imagination, and the love you have always desired finds its way gracefully and joyfully to your open heart. This is where true peace resides, in the quiet knowing that all is well, and all is unfolding exactly as it should, in perfect divine order. You are held, you are cherished, and your journey is blessed beyond measure. Rest in this divine embrace, for it is your eternal home. Feel the warmth of this unconditional love enveloping you, a sanctuary for your soul. Be still, and know that I am God. Psalm 46 verse 10.